Today I am reviewing the 2026 upgraded WYBOT C1 cordless robotic pool vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The 2026 upgraded WYBOT C1 cordless robotic pool vacuum is one of those pool gadgets that immediately make you wonder why you spent so many weekends manually vacuuming your pool in the first place. Designed for both in-ground and above-ground pools, this cordless robotic cleaner combines smart navigation, powerful suction, wall climbing ability, and app-based controls into a surprisingly polished package. After spending time looking at its features and overall performance, it's clear that WYBOT aimed to create a premium pool cleaning experience without the complexity that often comes with high-end robotic cleaners. The first thing that stands out about the WYBOT C1 is its fully cordless design. Anyone who has ever dealt with tangled power cables floating through a pool knows how frustrating traditional robotic cleaners can be. With this model, that problem disappears entirely. You simply charge the unit, drop it into the pool, select your cleaning mode, and let it do its job. That level of convenience alone already makes the cleaning process feel dramatically easier and more modern. Performance-wise, the suction power is genuinely impressive. The upgraded independent water pump motor delivers up to 3,038 gallons per hour of filtration power, which puts it ahead of many competing cordless pool vacuums in this category. In real-world use, that means it handles everything from leaves and bugs to sand, dirt, and fine debris without struggling. The dual PVC brushes also help loosen stubborn dirt stuck to the pool floor and walls, giving the cleaner a more thorough scrubbing action instead of simply gliding over debris. One of the strongest features of the WYBOT C1 is its smart cleaning system. Instead of randomly bouncing around the pool like some lower-end robotic vacuums, this cleaner uses intelligent navigation with gyroscope support and optimized cleaning paths. The in-path and S-path movement patterns allow it to systematically cover the pool area more efficiently. That translates into fewer missed spots and a much more complete cleaning cycle. What makes this even more useful is the 4-in-1 cleaning capability. It doesn't just clean the floor, it tackles walls, water lines, and overall pool surfaces as well. Many robotic cleaners perform well on the bottom of the pool, but struggle when transitioning to walls or climbing steep surfaces. The WYBOT C1 handles those transitions surprisingly well thanks to its four-wheel drive traction system. Whether your pool surface is tile, vinyl, fiberglass, pebble, mosaic, or even glass tile, the robot maintains a solid grip while climbing and cleaning. The wall and waterline cleaning feature deserves special attention because that's often where dirt, oils, and grime build up the fastest. Waterline stains could be especially annoying to remove manually, so having a robot that actively scrubs that area saves a significant amount of effort. Watching the cleaner move vertically up the wall and carefully clean around a waterline gives the product a premium feel that many buyers will appreciate immediately. Battery life is another major strength here. WYBOT claims up to 150 minutes of runtime, and that's a huge advantage for larger pools. Many cordless robotic cleaners start running out of battery too quickly, especially in bigger in-ground pools, but this one is designed to handle pools up to 1,614 square feet. For most residential pools, that means a full cleaning session can usually finish on a single charge. The 4-hour recharge time also feels fairly reasonable considering the runtime you get in return. The filtration system is also well thought out. The 180-micron ultrafine filter captures smaller debris effectively, helping keep the water looking noticeably cleaner after each cycle. It's especially useful during heavy pool use seasons when dirt, grass, pollen, and leaves constantly end up in the water. Emptying and rinsing the filter basket is straightforward too, which helps reduce maintenance frustration. Another standout feature is the WYBOT app integration. App support is becoming increasingly important for smart home and outdoor devices, and it works nicely here. Through the app, users can schedule cleanings, select different cleaning modes, monitor progress, and even receive firmware updates through OTA support. That future-proofing aspect is actually a bigger deal than it sounds. Instead of buying a cleaner that stays exactly the same forever, OTA updates allow WYBOT to improve navigation, cleaning logic, and overall functionality over time. The customization options through the app also make the cleaner feel smarter and more tailored to your specific pool needs. Some days you may only need a quick floor cleaning, while other times you might want a deeper full pool cycle, including walls and water lines. Having those options available from your phone adds convenience that pool owners will quickly grow accustomed to. In terms of build quality, the WYBOT C1 feels durable and well-constructed. The black finish gives it a sleek, modern appearance that looks more premium than many bulky robotic cleaners on the market. The wheels feel sturdy, the housing appears well-sealed for long-term underwater use, and the overall design suggests it was built for regular use rather than occasional cleaning. One thing worth mentioning is that robotic pool vacuums work best when pools are maintained somewhat regularly. If your pool has been neglected for weeks with massive debris buildup, you may still need a manual cleanup before relying entirely on the robot. However, for routine maintenance and keeping a pool consistently clean, the WYBOT C1 seems extremely capable. The cordless aspect also changes the overall experience more than people might expect. Without worrying about cable tangles, extension cords, or power management, pool cleaning becomes almost effortless. You charge it, drop it in, and retrieve it later. That simplicity makes it much easier to stick to regular cleaning schedules, which ultimately keeps the pool looking cleaner year-round. Overall, the WYBOT C1 cordless robotic pool vacuum feels like a strong upgrade for pool owners who want convenience, smart functionality, and powerful cleaning performance without stepping into ultra-expensive commercial-level pricing. Its combination of strong suction, intelligent navigation, wall climbing capability, long battery life, and app-based controls makes it a very compelling option in the cordless robotic pool cleaner market. For homeowners tired of manually vacuuming pools or dealing with outdated wired cleaners, this model offers a modern solution that genuinely saves time and effort. It's efficient, smart, easy to use, and versatile enough to handle a wide variety of pool surfaces and cleaning conditions. If you want a robotic pool cleaner that feels advanced, practical, and reliable for everyday use, the WYBOT C1 is definitely a product worth serious consideration.